Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best polyurethane foam is probably one of the most versatile solutions for various concrete applications, offering a lightweight yet strong material ideal for construction and repair projects. Its exceptional insulating properties make it perfect for sealing cracks, filling gaps, and improving energy efficiency in buildings. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the key features and applications of polyurethane foam is crucial for achieving optimal results. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to choose and use this amazing product effectively. Number 5. Red Devil 0912 Sealant. This expanding foam sealant is perfect for filling large gaps and cracks, both inside and outside your home. It's a simple solution for a variety of home repair needs. It's ideal for insulating and preventing drafts, keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. Say goodbye to those annoying drafts. Use it anywhere around your home, inside or outside. It's incredibly versatile for all your home repair projects. Once cured, it can be sanded, painted, or stained to match your existing decor. It seamlessly blends in with your home's aesthetic. It adheres to a variety of surfaces, including painted and unpainted wood, concrete, cinder block, aluminum, and fiberglass. It's a reliable solution for many materials. For easy cleanup, simply use a solvent. It's easy to manage and leaves no mess behind. What we like. It tackles those big gaps and cracks, whether inside or outside your home. Plus, it's paintable, so you can seamlessly blend it into your surroundings. If you need a versatile solution for large cracks that you want to paint later, this is the one for you. What people say. It really expands quickly to fill large vertical gaps when you think it would just fall out, but it doesn't. My back cement steps have shifted away from the house about 3 to 4 inches and squirrels had squeezed in and were digging their way up under the siding. I sealed the area during the day while they were out, and that was that. No more squirrels. Not its recommended use necessarily, but a hollow metal leg on our futon broke, and glue and other components weren't working to fix it, but filling the leg with this sealant and allowing it to set did the trick. Used to fix a fiberglass shower pan, worked great as a support and easy to clean. Number 4. RadonSeal Crack Repair Kit. Say goodbye to expensive repairs. It uses a 2-component injection to create a durable, watertight seal that permanently fixes hairline cracks from the inside. This low-viscosity urethane is designed to penetrate and seal even the tiniest cracks, ensuring a long-lasting, permanent fix. It's perfect for even the most stubborn cracks. It remains flexible, adapting to concrete movement. Its hydrophobic properties repel water, soil gases, and radon, preventing damage over time. Application is simple. The low-viscosity, 2-component urethane works with a standard caulking gun for professional results with minimal effort. It's built for professional-grade performance and provides reliable quality and durability for long-lasting results on foundations, walls, and more. Save money and time. It's the same expanding foam crack filler used by waterproofing contractors, ensuring a superior solution. What we like. This one's a pro-grade solution that permanently seals cracks without drilling. Its water-resistant formula creates a durable, long-lasting seal. If you're looking for a professional quality, permanent fix for hairline cracks, especially in areas prone to moisture, this is the best choice. What people say. Had a hairline crack in basement wall that seeped every time it rained. A couple of key things I focused on prior to using the product was prepping the wall. I removed all of the material applied by the previous owner, including epoxy paint, hydraulic cement, roofing tar, caulking, and whatever else. I washed the area with Dawn dish soap and water, and when that dried, I washed it down with a sponge and rubbing alcohol to get it as clean as possible. Great foundation repair kit. Had a crack in poured foundation about 13 years old, was there since the house was built and leaking slow. Finally got around to fixing it, and the process was pretty easy. I had an 8-foot crack from floor to top of foundation from 1/16 wide to 1/4 in places near the top. Overall, this kit worked very well and saved me some cash. Had rain a few days after completion and no leaks. Vertical foundation crack that, very occasionally, leaked when we had very saturated ground. Kit advertises it will handle a 10-foot crack, easily handled the 8+ feet I had to treat. Good instructions and included everything needed, except the caulk gun. The crack guys typically charge about $500 plus per 10-foot crack for pretty much the same result. Number 3. Sika Polyethylene Foam Backer Rod. It partially fills joints and cracks caused by concrete expansion, allowing flexibility before sealant application. This ensures a better, longer-lasting seal. It prevents 3-point sealant adhesion and controls sealant depth. This makes application easier and more efficient, saving you time and material. Highly compressible and flexible, it works with many surfaces and sealants. It's ideal for various applications, from windows to pavement. Made from polyethylene foam, it's water and temperature resistant for long-lasting performance. You can count on it for reliable sealing. Simply clean the area, insert it firmly and evenly into the joint, and apply sealant over it. Smoothing with a tool creates a professional finish. What we like. It's designed to fill joints and cracks before applying sealant, making the whole process easier and more efficient. It's compatible with many surfaces and sealants. If you value efficiency and want a product that works well with various sealants and surfaces, this is a great option. What people say. It's basically dense styrofoam with great elasticity that allows you to squeeze it into cracks. It works well as intended. It doesn't rip off easily, which is what you want. We had an expansion joint that needed to be replaced. Whatever was used previously disintegrated and had to be removed. The gap, over 1/2 inch, was cleaned thoroughly and ready to be filled. The backer rod was easy to use. I slowly pushed it between the gaps so there's a snug fit. Afterward, I squeezed self-leveling sealant and it flowed smoothly across the gap. No issues with the backer rod. Just make sure it's not punctured while pushing it into the gap. Good backer rod. Closed cell and dense. The correct diameter. Seems very well made. Number 2. 10-foot fast set concrete crack repair kit. This kit is your solution for fast and effective concrete crack repair. It's designed to stop water leaks and strengthen your foundation. It uses a powerful polyurethane foam to fill cracks completely, sealing them against water damage. This ensures a long-lasting repair. The kit includes a fast-curing surface sealer to protect the repaired area. This creates a durable barrier against future leaks. It's a simple DIY system, even for beginners. A helpful how-to video is included to guide you through each step. It uses the same high-quality materials our professional customers rely on. You can trust it to deliver superior results. A special epoxy paste ensures a tight bond to the concrete, improving the injection process and the overall effectiveness of the repair. What we like. This kit is designed to quickly stop water leaks and is incredibly easy to use. It comes with a how-to video, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you need a fast, effective, and easy-to-use solution for water leaks, this is the one for you. What people say. This product works. It is relatively easy for a DIYer. The instruction videos are a big help. Had a torrential rain 3 days after repair was made, and no leak. The whole process, in total, took less than 2 hours of my time. The kit contains literally everything you need, except for tap water. It even included the wire brush for cleaning the surface. Injecting the foam was slow, but simple, and mess-free. It took 5 minutes per port before the foam would start coming out the next port up. I know it worked because water stopped pouring in like a faucet in the rain, and because I can see where the foam expanded out of the crack on the outside of the 10-thick foundation. Number 1. FlexKit 100X Crack Repair Kit. Say goodbye to those annoying concrete cracks. This kit provides a permanent solution to water leaks, working on both wet and dry cracks. It's incredibly simple to apply. No special tools are needed, just use a standard injection gun. It uses a low-pressure injection method. It quickly expands and cures to form a flexible gasket, completely sealing the crack and any smaller ones. It's formulated to repair cracks from 1/16 of an inch to 1/2 inch wide. It creates a strong, lasting seal. This kit permanently stops water leaks in concrete cracks, saving you time and money on costly repairs. Get yours today. Watch how easily it fills and seals even the widest cracks, providing a long-lasting, watertight repair. What we like. It permanently seals cracks and prevents future leaks, using a low-pressure injection method that's easy on your tools and your back. No special tools are needed. If you want a permanent, hassle-free solution for water leaks without needing special equipment, this is your best bet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.